In this video, I want to quickly show you how to use the fillet command and the chamfer command. Here is my 3D object, and the fillet command is located on the features toolbar. That means I'm doing something to the feature itself. So I'm going to click on fillet, and what that does is it makes a rounded corner right here. When yours comes in, you probably will have no preview. I like to have a full preview so I can see what it's going to do. Right now it's set to 0.1, and we can adjust that as we see our preview. The edges I click are going to show up in this box right here. I want to put a fillet on this corner, so I'm going to click on this line right here, and you can see my radius is pretty small, so let's increase that radius. And as I do that, you can see the preview come in. If I want to add that to another corner, I just click another corner, and that will add that edge into my box as well. So let's put a fillet on those two corners, and we'll make it a 1-inch fillet. Let's make it 0.75. I can just change it there and update that and hit the check mark. Down at the bottom, let's put a chamfer in, and the chamfer command is located underneath the fillet command. So I'm going to click on chamfer, and it works very similar to the same way. I'm going to click on the two edges that I want to chamfer, and instead of a rounded corner, it puts a diagonal corner across there. As I increase the distance, notice it's at 1 right now. It defaults to a 45-degree angle. I could change the angle on that to whatever I wanted. And that would put a 60-degree angle and a 1-inch line from this side. Then I can just hit the check mark, and there it is. If I need to change that in any way, I can come back and right-click on my fillet. I'm going to edit the feature. Maybe I want to update that to a 1-inch fillet and hit the check mark. And notice down here that I don't like, they're not symmetrical, so let's go ahead and change that. And let's change this to a 45 so they'll be the same both directions. I could also put a distance on that. So I have a distance of 1 inch, and the other one is 0.1, so let's just change that to 1 inch as well. So they're both the same. So I could do angle and distance or distance and distance. If I needed them differently, I could put them in separately as well. And check mark to set that in place.